6 millennia of cockfighting and 7 minutes about me thinking about this joke. Let's see how many chicken wings can I fit in my mouth today, all the way to my stomach. What's up mga katropa? This is Lance and welcome back to the Tropas Club. And this is... Okay guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Wingfinity, aka Wingfinity and Beyond sa Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong, and ngayon I'll take the challenge to eat as many chicken wings as I can, hoping na hindi sumakit tiyan ko. Habang wala pa yung wings, explain ko muna yung house rules. If hindi pa kayo nakakapag-unli or unli in general, unli wings, ganun. So, ang house rules is unlimited promo is charged per person. So, depende siya kung ilan kakain, per head ba or ganon, something. Customers of the same table must avail the same unlimited promo. A la carte orders will only be allowed should no one avail the unlimited promo. Sobrang haba, ayoko explain. So, my time limit is 2 hours. Syempre, di mo naman siya kakainin lahat. Like in a whole day. Kids below 4 feet pay half the price. Kids below 3 feet dine for free. So, kung meron kang anak na under 3 feet, bagay, pwede yun. Unless isa kang matandang lalaki na merong dwarf. So, strictly no leftovers. Leftover will be charged accordingly. 45 pesos per wing and 75 pesos per pasta. Minimum of 4 pieces flavor per order. So 4 pieces per order lang. 4 flavors lang per order yung pwede mo i-order na flavor. Yeah. And lastly, serving time is 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, update, dumating na yung mac and cheese. Tignan nyo guys. And tatry natin. Ito lang. Masarap. Gusto ko yung texture niya ng mac and cheese. Hindi siya yung normal na mac and cheese na makikita niya. Nasa middle siya. Nandun yung lasa. And may enjoy ko siya. Okay guys, so i-introduce ko lang yung mga in-order namin. So, yung kanina nga, yung pinakita ko, yung macaroni. Second is cheese flavored the fries. Nachos. And etong 4 wings, which is yung garlic parmesan, snow cheese, salted egg, and crunchy garlic. Yeah. So, let's take the challenge. So guys, try muna natin yung garlic parmesan. Siguro kung i-rate ko siya siguro mas 7.5 out of 10. Hindi siya yung, as explained nga kanina, hindi siya yung masyadong masarap or like hindi din siya masyadong bland. Nandun siya sa tama, may lasa siya, and kaya ko siyang kainin ng paulit. Wait lang guys, sabit ako. Second wings, crunchy garlic. So guys, second wings done. Third wing is no cheese. Third wing done. Fourth wing, salted egg. Time-lapse to, di ba? Yeah. Time-lapse. Fourth wing done. So, kung i-rate ko siya, top 1 is yung garlic parmesan. Second one is yung salted egg. Third one is yung snow cheese. Yung fourth one is yung crunchy garlic. Overall, it's a solid 8.5 out of 10. Masarap siya. Lahat. So, try nyo guys. And let's start with the challenge. Wingfinity and Beyond. You guys shall try. So guys, round 2. May bago tayong flavors. Yung isa is, anong ulit to? Chili cheese, tsaka Yeah, honey mustard.
Ngayon lang binabas.
Vlog muli.
Okay, ulit.
Ulit. Ano yun? Ilalagay ko siya sa full extent ko. Lakayin pa ako, pero hindi mo na ako mag-give up. Chili cheese. Chili.
Bakit? Kumakain ka naman ang hang?
Hindi ako kumakain manghang.
Bulldog na kinain
Hindi
mo.
ako kumakain manghang. Hindi ako
Napaka-
kumakain manghang.
Wala, pussy.
So guys, makalipas 1 hour na and naka 2 plates kami ng chicken wings. So, I think mga 20 plus siya or 40 plus. And medyo hindi ko na kaya guys kasi last wing na. Kakainin ko na yung last wing pero hindi ko na kayang umorder pa ng isang plate. So, siguro mga after 1 wing, sasabihin ko na yung yung word na yun. Okay? Alright. So guys, hindi na namin na-film yung yung pagsabi ko ng give up, pero officially, sinasabi ko na I give up. And ngayon, uuwi na kami kasi grabe yung aftermath nung nangyari. Feel ko alam nyo na kung ano mangyayari susunod and yeah. Pero itatry ko yung best ko next time and hoping na maganda din yung maging result na At saka, ang purpose ng video is itatry ko yung mga pagkain. Hindi gaano kadami makakain ko. So, naka 11 na chicken wings lang ako. At hindi ako proud doon pero feel ko madami na doon. So, yun lang guys. At bye-bye mga katropa. And see you on the next one.